Good morning from Graham Family Farm. It's kind of cloudy, miserable today. Only 113 more days until spring. So that's looking on the positive side. We're getting closer. I see the little piglets are out over there. See if I can get a picture from here. Alright, this is interesting. What a little teensy egg. Huh. All the chickens that are lay brown eggs have been here for a while. They all should be full size. It's kind of strange. Don't know if it's a Rhode Island or if it's one of these blue stars. But, yeah. A micro egg. Out of the 10 eggs we got today, here's a lineup from small to big. The white egg's just a little bit bigger than the brown egg. Not much. And then, of course, the duck egg's really big. But the little egg here, the micro egg, that's kind of an oddball. We've been slowly chopping out this wood here. That's some good firewood. If they said it was tamarack. It definitely burns better than the poplar and the willow we've been burning. Yeah, so we're trying to mix both in together. Well, it's like 4:45 right now, and it's getting dark. It's been a cold one today. Not as cold as yesterday, but it's been overcast. Sun hasn't came out at all, so there's always tomorrow. Anyway, just want to thank you for watching. Have a good evening.